Hmm. All right. So welcome to today's talk, and I'm going to go to the next talk for Boric Materia Medica series, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope that you've been doing well, and I hope you've been studying well, and life has been kind. So let's continue the remedies for now. I've been very busy doing a lot of cases. I've been doing a lot of cases in the last few days, actually, many difficult cases, pathological cases, and I'm happy with some of the artistic things that I've been doing. So yeah, art is the only thing that can really um, excite me, I think, really. So let's talk about a few remedies today. One of the remedies I want to talk to you today about is the remedy apomorphinum. Very interesting remedy. It's a remedy which is belonging to Papaveracea family, which is the opium family. Um, and I have used this remedy beautifully in cases of typically a lot of vomiting, and very often this vomiting can be related or connected with nausea, a lot of sweat, salivation, and in fact very often in cases of brain tumors with a lot of vomiting, think about apomorphinum, think about another remedy amygdalus persica, and think about another remedy ethusa. These three are the remedies which may be satellite remedies if you're treating cases of brain tumors. Also very important, pneumonia with vomiting. So vomiting would be the most peculiar type of vomiting. It is a little bit projectile vomiting. That's why brain related pathologies you can think about. Also when it's combined with alcohol and other related symptoms, you can think about apomorphinum. um, Along with vomiting, there's a lot of heat all over the body, a lot of heartburn, retching, and it's a reflex vomiting, can often be very importantly also like amygdalus persica and cerium oxalate, also kind of nausea during pregnancy, also top remedy. For nausea during pregnancy, remember two remedies, thyroidinum and lactifluorin. These two are gem. Also very important remedy for seasickness. This is sapomorphinum. So yeah, one more remedy. Okay, aqua marina. I haven't used this remedy so often, so it's very difficult for me to tell you. But what I've seen or read about it, it's a remedy which is very close to Natrum muriaticum, and there are symptoms which are connected to aqua with Natrum muriaticum. Very important remedy for thyroid cases. That's what I am in my mind thinking about. In cases of thyroid where symptoms are worse by seaside, remember, Medroinum is better by seaside. With lot of weakness, lack of reaction, a lot of tubercular miasm, and a lot of skin related pathologies like eczema, varicose veins, varicose ulcers. I would think about this remedy, aqua marina. A little bit about aqua marina, I think it's important for me to tell you a little bit. What are the things I want to tell you about aqua marina? So there's a very interesting rubric of anxiety. Anxiety better by drinking something cold and better by company. This is interesting. Gives you a little bit of idea of arsenic alb. Better by motion. Again gives you idea of arsenic alb. Riding amulet. So it's a little bit, so it would be a top remedy for anxiety. Especially you can see your talking amulet as if it's set. So I would give a lot of arsenic like symptoms. I would think about this remedy. Um, a lot of delusions. There's a very delusion being laughed. This is one of the very important symptom of aquamarina. Legs are being cut off, being spied, and the main symptom I want to tell you. Let's see if I can see that. It's not written. Delusion watched. There must be somewhere delusion watched. Delusion watched is one of the main symptoms. I think it's given in Kent. Let's see if my delusion being watched. I told you Kent repertory in and out. The entire Kent repertory, if you tell me any rubric in Kent, I will tell you probable remedies, and which page it is and how it is. So this is how I want you to become, and this is then that you develop a mastery over your science, and there'll be people who would not like you. That's okay. It's beautiful if people don't like you. That means you're doing something good. If everyone likes you, Steve Jobs said it very beautifully that people are not everyone is not supposed to like you, because if everyone likes you, are you selling an ice cream? No. So delusion watched, delusion looked at, delusion spied, delusion tormented. A lot of despair of recovery after grief. So this is a remedy I'm still trying to evolve. Just telling you so that you should know about it. So this is about Boric Materia Medica series. I hope you're watching this, and I hope you are making most of your studies, and I hope that you continue growing, and I hope you don't think of, I meet a lot of people, homeopathy is everything, and I also used to say homeopathy is everything. For me, this is, and I think that's a very narrow way of looking at life. I think life is so huge, and homeopathy is a part of it that will help you thinking in this way.